In 2003, after more than a decade of work, an ambitious medical research program was finally completed. The Human Genome Project mapped human DNA, identifying the approximately 20,000 genes that are part of it. With this knowledge, it's expected that genetic disorders like diabetes can be prevented, treated, even cured. And a VA research lab in Arkansas is on the leading edge of another potential benefit as well. These researchers at the VA Medical Center in Little Rock are analyzing samples of genetic data. Their goal? To develop drug treatments customized for individual patients based on their unique genetic profiles. It's called personalized medicine.
Personalized medicine is certainly the wave of the future.
Dr. Steven Schickman is director of VA's Pharmacogenomics Analysis Laboratory, the only lab of its kind at VA.
We try to find associations between variations in those genes that may cause susceptibility to certain diseases or may cause abnormal reactions to certain drugs that people take. By looking at a person's genetic makeup, we can design therapies or choose drugs that will minimize toxicity and maximize benefit. So we're able to tailor therapy specifically for an individual based upon their genetic makeup.
Dr. Schickman and his staff of 3 researchers work in a relatively small area, but they've been able to complete large-scale genomics projects here.
The reason that we're able to do so much work in a small space is because we use cutting-edge genomic technologies where everything is micro-miniaturized. And we're able to scan millions of genes in the amount of time of just a few hours. And in the past, it would take years or even tens of years in order to do the same thing.
Studies based on the results from the Human Genome Project are increasingly common at VA. And the Veterans Health Administration already operates a biorepository where DNA samples are stored. They come from veterans who've consented to having their genetic material analyzed. The goal is to build the world's largest database of genetic information. For information about VA's research activities in areas like personalized medicine, go to www.research.va.gov.